In your calculator, when you type in really big numbers, and for example, we multiply them, so we're gonna make them even bigger. Your calculator will give you an answer, oftentimes in scientific notation. The way the calculator does scientific notation is E, that capital letter E. So what your calculator is telling you here is 8.125 times 10 to the 18th power. Okay, so you just want to be able to interpret what that means. So on this sheet, you're looking here, it says to write the following expressions in scientific notation in A and standard notation in B. And they give you E notation. This is an example of what the calculator would give you. So in scientific notation, this pretty much is scientific notation. You just have to write 5.6 times 10 to the negative 6. That's what that means. Okay, and then in standard notation, I have to move negative exponent. I have to move the decimal to the left 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In case you need to visualize, so that means you'll have the decimal will be right here, and you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros in front of that 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and then 5, 6 for standard notation. Number 14, 8.93 times 10 to the 4th. Okay, so we'll just write that, 8.93 times 10 to the 4th. That's what the E means. Okay, for standard notation, this means I just have to move the decimal to the right, since it's a positive exponent, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 893, and then 2 zeros after that. Right, and our decimal point here would be at the end. We put in our comma, that'll be 89,300. 9.2E5 just means 9.2 times 10 to the 5th power. Standard notation, let's move it to the right, since it's a positive, to the right 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros after the 2. 9, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 920,000.